Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this app, which is United Airline app. So to get started with a quick review, United Airline app is a comprehensive travel companion designed to enhance the flying experience for United States passengers, available on both iOS and Android platform. The app offers a range of features including the flight booking, mobile check-in, real-time flight status updates, digital boarding passes, and packages tracking. Together with additional provide access in flight entertainment and integrate with the Meal Gauge Plus loyalty program, allowing users to manage their account and redeem miles directly through the app. And here's a quick review strength about this platform. It has a user-friendly interface together with a real-time update and in-app entertainment, a Meal Gauge Plus integration, and also give accessibility features which help the recent updates that have improved the support for screen readers and increase the color contrast, making the app more accessible to users with a visual impairment. However, there are notable weaknesses about this platform. So one of these notable weaknesses is the technical glitches, the design concern, which is also part of the update, and the visual design have introduced a smaller font and increased the white space, which some users find harder to read and navigate. They come with the inconsistent performance. Now here's a quick breakdown line. The United Airlines app offers a robust set of features that can significantly enhance the travel experience for United passengers. Its user-friendly interface with real-time update and integration with the Meal Gauge Plus program will make it a valuable tool for managing flight and rewards. However, users should be aware of potential technical issues and design changes that affect the usability.